Thank you for holding. God, I can't breathe. It's so cold. Thanks for holding. Hurricane Blizzard Japetteo. It's fucking a hurricane blizzard. Oh, it's cold. It's fucking really coming down, folks. Holy shit, I need to find Dorothy to get the red slippers so she can take me back to Candace out of this shit. Woo! Just kidding. I love this shit. This shit's fucking awesome, player. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Whoa. Fucking wind about to blow me over and shit. You know how when you breathe cold air, you can't breathe? It's fucking crazy. This is fucking badass. Alright, I'm on lunch break. Stay tuned for when I get off for more updates on WSJ TV, PPTV, 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 XXA, WXARS TV, PPTV. Stay tuned. Somebody needs to get a fucking broom and start sweeping up these streets out here. Fucking look like a damn winter wonderland. Where's Alice? Stay tuned, motherfuckers.